Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Libras. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career situation. And today I'll be picking one card for your moon energy. So I will leave it here. And one card for your love guidance, Libras. So we will leave this card here. And one fortune cookie card for you all, guys. We will see what it is as we proceed into the reading, Libras. So let's start with the cards for your general energies first. So we have King of Wands in reverse, Two of Wands, and Sun in reverse. So maybe in your circumstances today, Libras, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, your personal life, you are happy about something, happy about certain goals you have reached, certain dreams you have achieved, and you are waiting for the next opportunity, waiting for something good to come in your way. So, it may be your circumstance in your relationship or in your work situation, guys. So, you have everything in your hands. Maybe you are in a good position in life and you have a good understanding with this person. So you are thinking of the next step, what you need to do, maybe, guys. And today in this relationship, you have everything you have hoped for with this person. Maybe you have a level of understanding, you are thinking of marriage or commitment, but you do not have that inspiration to do that for some reason, guys. And you may have people telling you something, maybe people telling you, advising you to make a decision. So maybe it may be towards commitment or marriage. Maybe they are telling you to not waste time. Maybe take the next step towards a deeper responsibility. Maybe go for that committed relationship, engagement, or marriage. But something is holding you back. Maybe you are not ready to listen to someone's advice. So it may be your person's energy. Maybe they are interested in marriage and you are taking one step back. Though you have a good understanding, though you feel really happy to be with them, you love their company, but something is not right for you. Maybe something is missing. Maybe it may be uh, that vibrancy or that passion in this relationship that is missing, maybe for some of you guys. But there is a good chance of things falling into place very soon, guys. So maybe it may this truth, maybe this person may be the person for you, but you do not know it yet, maybe for some of you. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card and it is Seven of Wands in reverse. So maybe in this relationship you have something you need to be really worried about. So maybe it may be their energy towards this relationship or your energy. Maybe if you are the person interested in commitment, they are maybe you are worried because this person is not ready to accept your proposal, and they are not interested in a committed relationship, guys. That may be the reason you are quite anxious. So this energy, it may be vice versa, Libras. So it may be their energy towards you or your energy towards them. Maybe for some of you, if you give this relationship time, this connection may work, guys, Libras. So for your work situation, we picked one card. Let's see what it is. And it says Hermit. So in your career, you are making some important decisions and you want to make the right choices. So you are thinking about something deeply. You don't want to make any mistake today, guys. So you are thinking about some important decisions you need to make today, guys. So for your moon energies today, Libras, we picked one card and it says a personal issue reaches resolution. So maybe, just like I said, maybe in your relationship, if you give it time, maybe things will go in a very positive way, guys. So if you have a situation or challenge or feel something is challenging you in this relationship, it is coming to an end very soon, guys, and it is going to go in a positive way for you. So you need not worry for yourself, but you are going through a lot of emotions today, guys. There will be a lot of what to say, you may feel a lot sensitive today handling this circumstance. So there is going to be an explosion of feelings. Maybe you may come to a conclusion after talking to this person, telling them what you feel, and they may even reveal what they truly feel about you, about this relationship. And if you are someone interested in meditation, Libras, you can go for that. That is going to help you. But this circumstance will resolve, guys, very soon, Libras, just like we saw with the previous cards. So whatever you decide for yourself, you are going to do it together with this person you love. So let's see what is your love guidance for today. We picked one card here, guys, and it is discernment. So this just means that you need to be aware of what you honestly want in your life, and the choices you make must be true to your honest motives or what you truly feel is the right thing or the purpose of your life today. So when you know yourself honestly and when you align your life with those honest truth, you are going to attract only good things in your life today, guys, Libras. And discernment is not judgment. Discernment is living your life with the recognition that what is in alignment with your unique path. So, what you truly feel is the right thing and what you are inclined to do. So, you must make choices according to that. That is going to help you today, guys, Libras. So, that is the reading with these cards, guys. So, it is time for your fortune cookie. So it says opportunities. So an important offer will be made. Be prepared and dressed to impress. So it may be a good opportunity in your work situation, guys, or it may be a good opportunity in your relationship. Someone positive, someone interesting may be coming your way, Libras. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.